History is filled with wars, but only a few moments stand out when humanity gathered soldiers on a scale never seen before. No single weapons, no single battles, just sheer numbers. Today, we explore the 10 biggest armies ever assembled in history, based on the best evidence historians have. 10. The Spanish Armada, 1588. 130,000 personnel. Although remembered mainly as a naval force, the Spanish Armada represented one of the largest combined military mobilizations of its time. It included sailors, marines, support troops. Its failure reshaped European power. 9. The Napoleonic Grand Armée, 1812. 600,000 soldiers. Napoleon's invasion of Russia assembled one of the largest armies Europe had ever seen. It was multinational. French, Polish, German, and Italian troops marched together. Very few returned. Logistics, not combat, destroyed it. 8. The Qing Dynasty Army, 18th century. 800,000 plus troops. The Qing Empire maintained enormous standing forces. Exact numbers vary, but imperial records suggest hundreds of thousands across China. It was one of the largest pre-industrial military systems. 7. The Roman Empire, 2nd century AD. All 450,000 soldiers. At its peak, Rome controlled legions across 3 continents. While not deployed in one place, it represents one of the most sustained, large-scale military organizations in history. Discipline was Rome's true weapon. 6. The Mongol Empire, 13th century. Of 500,000 total mobilized, Mongol armies were not massive by numbers, but terrifying by coordination. Multiple campaigns mobilized hundreds of thousands across Eurasia. Speed mattered more than size. 5. World War I. Combined armies, 1914 to 1918. 70 million mobilized. This was the first truly global war. Across all nations, Europe, Asia, Africa, approximately 70 million soldiers were mobilized. Industrial warfare changed everything. 4. The Chinese Civil War, 1940s. 110 million combined. Both nationalist and communist forces mobilized massive armies. Numbers vary widely by source, but this remains one of the largest internal military mobilizations ever recorded. 3. World War II. Axis and AMP, Allies, 1939 to 1945. 100+ million mobilized, the largest war in human history. More than 100 million soldiers served. Entire economies became war machines. No conflict has matched this scale. 2. The Soviet Red Army, 1945. Counted 12 million active soldiers. At the end of World War II, the Red Army was the largest single national army ever assembled at one time. Its size reflected total war. Survival depended on numbers. 1. Modern China, total military, and AMP, reserves, 200+ million potential. In terms of total mobilization potential, no nation in history rivals modern China. This includes active forces, reserves, paramilitary units. This does not mean they were all deployed, but the capacity exists. Finally, the biggest armies were not just about power. They were about resources, organization, population. History shows when numbers grow too large, logistics decides the outcome.